This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the border of the Lakeview and Buena Park neighborhoods, just west of Lincoln Park, for a walk through one of the renovated apartments at Irving Courts by Reside. I'm in the foyer of Unit 722-2, a one-bedroom. Off to your right as you enter, there's a walk-in closet with both hanging and shelving space. You're looking at real hardwood oak flooring that continues throughout the unit. It's a decorative fireplace, one of just a number of fun vintage touches. Arch leads you to a nook that would make for a nice dining area. Recessed shelving, storage below that. Spinning around, looking at additional built-in shelving. Fresh, updated bath, attractive tile. This wall-mounted medicine cabinet above the vanity. Kitchen. This window looking out into the treetops. Marble countertops, a 4-burner gas range. This built-in microwave, a dishwasher, and a bonus pantry cabinet. Door leads out to a second stairway. This is an attractive one-bedroom. Bedroom can accommodate almost any size bed. 3 windows, again, looking out into the treetops. Terrific location, just a short walk from the lakefront, the 18-mile lakefront trail. You're at the north end of Lakeview, walking distance to Wrigley Field, and you have Reside living. You really want to put this one on your must-see list when you're looking for a new apartment in the Lakeview Buena Park neighborhood. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.